Calvin.
Okay. Hi, everybody.
Hey, how you doing?
How are you doing?
Go.
Hey, Mom and Dad.
Hey,
How are you doing today?
what are you up to?
Hi. How are you going to do today? Hi. What's up? I'm Lonnie.
Okay.